Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury meets imagination and where we bring you inside some of the most extraordinary homes across the United States. If you love elegant design, stunning architecture, and breathtaking real estate, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, because today, we're taking you on a dream tour through one of the most majestic homes in Florida, Casa Bella Fortuna, located in the heart of Fort Lauderdale. From the moment you pass through the double iron gates, you are immediately transported to another world, a world inspired by Venice, Italy. Casa Bella Fortuna stands proudly as a modern-day palace, a waterfront masterpiece valued at an astonishing $27,999,000. Built in 2014, this mansion redefines luxury living with a touch of European grandeur that feels timeless and artistic. Covering over 12,121 square feet of living space on nearly 1 acre of land, this magnificent residence includes 8 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and 7 half baths, every detail crafted with the highest level of precision. As you approach, the driveway curves gently through perfectly manicured landscaping, leading you to an impressive entrance that sets the tone for what lies beyond. Step inside and be greeted by a grand 2-story foyer, marble floors glistening under a massive crystal chandelier. Every inch of this home tells a story of elegance and craftsmanship. Venetian columns, intricate ceiling designs, and gold finishes reflect a level of artistry rarely seen today. The main hallway opens into a majestic living area with panoramic water views, high ceilings, and warm natural light flowing through oversized windows. The living room, or as we call it, the heart of the home, combines classic elegance with modern comfort. Plush Italian sofas, custom artwork, and a stunning fireplace make this space perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing with a serene view of the canal. Adjacent to it, a formal dining room sits beneath another sparkling chandelier, ready to host unforgettable evenings with friends and family. Next, we move into the chef's kitchen, truly a masterpiece in itself. With marble countertops, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, and an oversized island, this kitchen is both functional and spectacular. A hidden butler's pantry ensures everything runs smoothly behind the scenes, making it ideal for large gatherings or private dining experiences. The mansion also features multiple entertainment spaces, from a cozy library and elegant office to an art studio and even a private massage room. Every corner radiates peace, comfort, and luxury. Upstairs, the master suite is a retreat of pure indulgence. With its own sitting area, private terrace, and breathtaking waterfront view, it feels more like a 5-star resort than a home. The master bathroom is wrapped in marble, featuring a spa-style bathtub, gold fixtures, and ambient lighting that creates the perfect space to unwind. But the beauty of Casa Bella Fortuna extends far beyond its interiors. Step outside to discover a resort-style saltwater pool and hot tub surrounded by lush greenery and palm trees. The outdoor terrace offers multiple lounge areas for sunbathing, dining, or enjoying the Florida sunset. The mansion sits on a raised double-point peninsula with 708 feet of deep water frontage and 455 feet of private dockage, making it the perfect haven for mega yachts and multiple vessels, all within a no-wake zone, ensuring peace and privacy. And if you need extra space for guests, you'll find 2 fully equipped 1-bedroom apartments located above the 4-car garage, each with its own separate entrance. Casa Bella Fortuna is represented by Chad Gray with Compass Florida, LLC, a top-producing luxury broker who has been consistently recognized among the most successful real estate agents in South Florida. His passion for architecture and excellence in client service has made him a trusted name in luxury real estate. For those who dream of living life surrounded by beauty, art, and water, this property is more than a home. It's a statement of elegance, a personal paradise where every sunrise reflects on golden marble and every evening whispers luxury. Before we end, don't forget to visit Luxury and Lens, the incredible team behind the visuals and cinematography for this stunning property. Their dedication to capturing luxury homes in their purest form truly brings these masterpieces to life. Thank you for joining us today on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with someone who loves luxury real estate, and subscribe for more incredible mansion tours from across the United States. Until next time, keep dreaming, because your American dream mansion might just be waiting for you.